Okay. Yes. So let's try and just sort out the question. So let me share my screen. Just trying to do some explanation. All right. So the tax could be here. Then you will have your net pay and April net pay, and you can just, definitely that would be this minus this. You can stretch it down, boom. All right. So if there's any other, or probably pension, blah, blah, blah. Okay, for example, let's say you can insert, let's insert pension here, pension, and maybe pension, let's say, just as an example, 0.5, no, 0.0, 3 times this, okay, and so we can stretch this down. All right. So the okay. So if this is all the deduction, I thought I muted everybody. All right. So if this is the only, if these are the only deductions, tax, pension, so your formula would then be this minus this minus this. So minus this, and then enter. Then you stretch it down so that you can have the relevant, the current value. Boom. And so this will now be April net pay, so to say. So the accountant can work with these figures and create a salary schedule to be sent to the bank to pay everybody. Hello.
Okay, sir. So thank you very much, sir.
Yeah, you're most welcome. So that's it. And now you can even go further. So for example, there's somebody, okay, probably there's a law that says if you are earning less than 1,000, tax, pension should not be deducted. So what that means is that you are going to be using your if formula, okay, for this and for this also. All right. You're going to be using your if formula, You're going to be using your if formula, and then you'll be exempting people who probably fall under that category. Okay. So for them, tax will be 0, pension will be 0. So you can do your if formula. Just okay. For example, you can say if this salary is less than 1,000, if this salary is, let's say, is greater than 1,000, then the true value will be 0.01 times the salary. Then the false value will be 0. That person will not pay tax. All right. So, but all of these values now, they are more than 1,000. So it's still going to return that. So here too, you can also put your if formula. You can say if this salary is greater than 1,000, then the true value will be 0.03 times the salary. Oh, but if it's false, then you return 0. Close bracket. Yeah. So with that, you can manipulate as many things as possible. Is
Thank
that
you very
fine?
much, sir. Yes, yes, sir.
Yeah, you're most welcome. All right. Questions before we call it a wrap. So I'll leave you to sort out the charts. Just use as many parameters as possible and all of that. Just try and bring out some insights, and you'll surely be fine. Questions, comments before we go. All right, I think we have some people around.
Hello, sir.
Yes, sir.
Assuming that the company base is salary.
Okay.
On maybe somebody is sick.
Okay.
He only has 2 good days. I think can we still put that as a condition there?
Okay, I think I missed you there. You said if the company has
assuming that the company says that you are going to be paid on the number of days you come for work.
Okay.
And maybe somebody is sick.
Okay.
Along the line, maybe he only came to office 2 or 3 days in a week. So how will they calculate that one?
Okay, so the person is sick for 2 to 3 days. Definitely, you are going to deduct, the value of that person for that 2 days from the normal, weekly or monthly pay.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you're going to ensure that there's a row, or colon rather, for people who probably were absent. So in this, so in this case now, it's more or less like an hourly thing. So for some company, it's every day. For some company, it's just a lump sum, every month. So, and even for those who do monthly pay, okay, who are not doing hourly or weekly pay, monthly pay, you could have, should I say disciplinary measures that says if you are absent for a day, we're going to deduct 2,000 naira or whatever. So if somebody is absent for 4 days, that means you do your calculation, you have a column for days absent, and then you have the value, probably it's 2,500. So you multiply by the number of days, then you deduct it from the fixed salary for the month. Okay, so it won't be entitled to the fixed salary, though the salary is fixed, but it won't be entitled to everything.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir. All right, in the absence of no question, let's call it a wrap. Thank you so much for your time. And definitely we'll do this again by weekend. So try to practice. That's just the only way to get it right. Practice, 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 practice. The more you practice, the more you begin to understand it very, very well. It's not rocket science. It's something that is doable. Okay, and you've got to believe in yourself that you can do it. All right, and before you know it, boom, you will start doing great exploit. You know, with respect to manipulating data and all of that. All right, thank you so much. We'll get to see again in the next class, and keep practicing. My name is Shola Ibusi for BATA, Business and Tech Transformation Academy. Have a wonderful, wonderful evening. Bye.
God bless you, sir. Thank you. Good night.
Good night.
Thank you, sir. Good night, sir.
Good night. Have a wonderful night rest.
Sir, please help us share the slide for today as usual, sir.
Yes,
It's
I
very,
will.
very helpful.
Yeah,
All
I
right.
will.
Thank you, sir. All right.
All right. Okay then. Bye.